Everyone, I think Jandal is gonna do chocolate rain. If we see in the admin thing, you can see set weather. And then you can see there is a chocolate rain, and he just say that. I don't know when he is gonna do chocolate rain or something, but I think he is gonna do. Can't believe it. Lucky me. Well, lucky players that got online. I think the Roblox servers crashed and you can't join anymore. I don't know. And I got the new Void Touch mutation. Epic, right? That's one thing. Let me show you how much this is worth. It's 234 million.
Look, it is bad one more chance. No.
Yes. Give it one more chance.
No, don't kill it.
Oh, by the way, this is my friend talking. So don't roast me.
Bruh.
I'm joking. Okay. I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna start recording again when there is a new good thing.